Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Advance R Programming for Data Analytics in Business. Week first assignment first. The first question is in a box plot created using ggplot, what does the top of the box represent? So these are the option mean of date, 19th percentile, maximum value 75th percentile, third quartile. So the answer of first question is D, 75th percentile. Now the second question is you are using ggplot to plot a scatter plot between Bitcoin's return and S&P 500 returns. Which ggplot's two layer will add a regression line to your scatter plot? So these are the option and the answer of second question is B. Geom smooth method IM. Now the third question is which R command will you use to get a quick the structure of a data frame including dimension, variable type and few initial element. So these are the option structure df summary, df glimpse return underscore data, head returns underscore data. So the answer of third question is C, glimpse return underscore data. Now the fourth question is what is the correct way to install and then load the dplyr package in R? So these are the option and the answer of fourth question is C, install.packages dplyr followed by library. Now the fifth question is in R what happen when you add two vector of unequal length? So the answer of fifth question is C, V2 is recycled to match V1's length. Now the sixth question is which R function is used to all the remove row with NA values from an entire data frame. So these are the option omit.na, na.omit, rma, na, delete.na. So the answer of sixth question is B, na.omit. Now seventh question is given a data frame df. How can you replace all na values with 0? So these are the option and the answer of seventh question is A. Now the eighth question is your data contains rating outlooks for different countries. The rating variable is a factor variable with three levels, namely positive, negative, and stable. Which plot can best represent the frequency distribution of the three rating? So these are the option histogram, bar plot, XY scattered plot, box plot. So the answer of eighth question is B, bar plot. Now the ninth question is you are working with weekly gasoline price data and want to visualize the movement of price over time. Which of the following plots best represent the evolution of price over time? So these are the option xy plot where x-axis is time and y is prices, xy plot where x-axis is price and y is time, histogram of prices, box plot of prices. So the answer of ninth question is A, xy plot where x-axis is time and y is prices. Now the 10th question is if you want to combine two data frames by a common column with all row retained from both, which merge options should you use? So these are the option and the answer of 10th question is B, merge df1 df2 all equal to true. So now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.